Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Artstor on JSTOR or JSTOR images. If you already have an existing Artstor or JSTOR account, you can use that existing account to log in. You don't have to create a new one. However, if you don't already have an existing account, you will need to create a new one. So we're going to walk through how to do that. So let's go ahead and click on the database to go there. And we're going to see this pop up. Now before you reach this screen, you may be prompted to first sign in with your Columbia College credentials, so be sure to do that if you haven't done so already. So now when we're here, we simply fill out the form. You can see I do have an account, so I won't be submitting the form, but I'll just walk through it with you to show you. So you're going to type in your email, confirm your email. You're going to create a password, and here is your criteria. You're going to confirm your password. You're going to check the box once you've read and accepted the terms and conditions of use, the privacy policy, and confirm that you are over 16. And then you're going to click Create Account. So I won't click it, but when you click it, you're going to be directed to the landing page here. And then you'll be free to explore the database. Now, creating an account is really helpful because you'll have access to the workspace. So the workspace is where you can save, organize, and export the files and the content that you're going to explore in the database. So just as an example, here's one item that I saved to my workspace. So that was how to create an account in Artstor on JSTOR. Remember, if you need assistance, you can always come back to the library homepage and ask a librarian right there, either with the live chat feature if that's available, or email or by phone. Thanks for watching.